Hey, welcome back to Next in Tech, where we dive deep into the craziest, most mind blowing innovations shaping our future. If you're someone who loves AI, robotics, and futuristic tech, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because today we are talking about something straight out of a sci fi movie. Let me ask you a question. How do you imagine robots? Are you thinking of Chitty from The Robot? Or maybe something like R2D2 from Star Wars? We've all seen robots in movies that move like humans, make decisions, and sometimes even have emotions. But in reality, most robots today, well, they're not that smart. They just follow pre-programmed instructions. You tell them to move left, they move left. You tell them to pick something up, they pick it up, exactly the way they were taught. But the moment you change the object or the environment, they fail. That's where Blue comes in. Meet Blue, an AI-powered robot created by NVIDIA that doesn't just follow commands, it actually learns, adapts, and improves over time. And the secret behind it? It's got some of the craziest physics-based AI and simulation technology ever built. Blue is powered by the Newton Physics Engine, an open-source physics simulator developed by NVIDIA, Google DeepMind, and Disney Research. Yeah, you heard that right, Disney. The same people who make animated movies are now working on hyper-realistic robots. But let's see what's the secret behind Blue's learning process. Well, Blue trains inside a virtual world before it even touches anything in real life. It runs through millions of simulations in NVIDIA's AI training data center. This process is called reinforcement learning, and it's the same technique used to train AI models for self-driving cars, gaming physics, and even predicting weather patterns. Think of it like this. When we learn to ride a bike, we start wobbly, maybe fall a few times, and then gradually get better. Blue does the same thing, but at an ultra-fast speed. And this is the same tech that's being used to train AI-powered robots for Mars missions. But is this it? Is Blue's potential limited to just this? Let's see. Most robots today are limited to factories, warehouses, or controlled environments. But Blue's potential is way more than the other robots. It's built to interact with the real world in a dynamic, adaptive way. Imagine this. If you go to a theme park, instead of stiff animatronics, imagine characters that move just like real performers. Like Jack Sparrow from Pirates of the Caribbean interacting dynamically with you. Won't it be just mind-blowing? Similarly, Blue could replace traditional robots because they learn and adapt instead of needing constant reprogramming. It can be used to assist the elderly with movements that feel natural, like a human companion instead of a machine. NASA is already looking at AI-powered robots to repair satellites and assist astronauts in zero gravity. And another fun fact, they have already used NVIDIA's AI tech in their Mars rovers. So Blue's physics engine? Yeah. It could literally help us explore other planets. Now, the question is Blue 100% perfect? Let's look into that as well. Well, apparently, there are two big challenges scientists are still working on. Number one, dexterity. Delicate tasks like tying shoelaces or playing the piano are still difficult for Blue. Human hands have 27 bones and 30 joints. Replicating that complexity in robotics is insanely difficult. 2. Decision making. Blue moves with precision, but it still struggles with understanding why a task needs to be done. It's great at how, but not at why. But here's the exciting part. AI researchers are already solving these problems. Scientists are developing AI models that help robots reason and make decisions more like humans. Engineers are building robotic hands that mimic human muscles, tendons, and even skin for more natural movements. Give it a few more years and we could see robots that not only perform tasks with human-like precision, but also understand the purpose behind them. Robots like Blue are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From factories to space missions, from healthcare to entertainment, this is just the beginning. And that future? It's coming way faster than you think. Let's be real. AI and robotics are changing our world right now. So if you want to stay ahead, if you want to be part of the revolution, hit that subscribe button, follow us, and let's keep exploring the future together. And before you go, tell me in the comments what's one job you think robots will take over first. Let's see who gets it right. This is your host signing off. See you in the next episode.